Today we take a very historic action that was 45 years in the making. In a few moments I will sign an executive order to begin eliminating the Federal Department of Education once and for all. Should I do this? Resources for children with special disabilities and special needs. They're going to be preserved in full and redistributed to various other agencies and departments that will take very good care of them.
Where was there criticism of our nation's failing test scores for the last several decades? The Department of Education was founded in the 1970s, and since then we have spent more than $3 trillion at this federal bureaucracy. What has been the return on that investment for the American taxpayer? Levels that are less than ideal, less than proficient. Our children's test scores are incredibly concerning when it comes to reading rates, literacy rates, math, and science test scores. The numbers prove that, and the president is finally, this president is finally taking much needed action to return education to where it belongs, and that's to educators closest to students in their classrooms in their respective states. We're going to have a great event here later at 4 o'clock. There will be students here, teachers here, parents here, educators, and of course governors from around the country who are very excited about taking on this responsibility to educate our nation.
Dinismantle ni President Donald Trump ang Department of Education sa isang executive order lang. Kung sa Pilipinas ang Department of Education ang siyang pinakamalaking budget sa lahat ng mga departamento, pero bakit mas majority sa mga Amerikano na gusto yung ginawa ni Donald Trump? Basahin natin yung mga comment nila. Ito yung mula kay Tracy Montimer. We need Trump in Australia. Ina-arbor na si Trump sa Australia. Go President Donald Trump. Mula kay Salasi Joseph. One thing I truly admire about you, Mr. Trump, is the way you speak with confidence and authenticity without relying on a script or teleprompter. Kung sa Amerika, dinismantle ni President Trump ang Department of Education. Dito naman sa Pilipinas, ano naman dapat i-dismantle na hindi na kailangan ng tao? Anong departamento?